So this is the Euro-Yen analysis for Tuesday 24th of October. Let's just have a look what happened from markets opened. So markets open in and around, let's just go the pen. Market opened in and around the resistance of 134. Had a bit of indecisiveness. We did actually gap up, but price have come down, closed the gap. We've come down to this weekly pivot of 33.45. We haven't seen much of a reaction. Then we had this what could be termed an exhaustion candle. This strong bearish move, candle closing pretty close to its lows, but in the context of the overall downtrend, seeing a large candle like that at either the top of an uptrend or the bottom of a downtrend, a pretty strong candle of this size which breaks rank usually indicates a possible exhaustion. And as we can see here with the two consecutive bullish candles closing near their highs, would further confirm that this was the pretty much an exhaustion candle, is where the bulls or the bears give the markets one last hurrah before they step out of the way. We likely see a bit of a reversal in prices, prices changing direction. So this big last hurrah, as you can see, the bearish move has been countered by bullish candles at present. Ideally, I would have liked for the buyers to come back into the market in around that 133 region that we did see some buying over here on the left of the chart previously, but we do seem to have found quite a bit of a bid, and the next target to the upside would be this obvious level in around 33.45. If we do break above it, possibly come back and test it. For a further continuation to the upside, we'll definitely be looking at that 134 region as hopefully it's not too far away. It might be too far. Yes, it is too far away on this. It's too far away on the hourly chart. I'll have a look at it in the higher time frames. But yep, if we do break, if instead we don't break above and hold 33.45, instead say we were to go up to, let's just grab the pen. If we did go up to 33.45, found resistance, definitely looking for price to come down to in and around that 32.83 region. We've also got to be aware of the 200 period moving average. By that time, well, the euro yen's pretty quick, so the 400 period might not come into focus, but definitely this 200 period and this 32.83 should come into focus. If we're not able to hold that, definitely be looking at the 400 period moving average beneath us. Possibly these lows over here as well, in around the 32.60. Beyond that, the very next level is pretty obvious, in around 132. So those are the levels we are looking at on the euro yen. Overall, the overall trend on the higher time frames is to the upside, but we are in a bit of a pullback at the moment. We have not come down to a weekly pivot or a major level marked out in red, so I'm a bit cautious at present, even though we are operating in the shadow of the exhaustion candle at the end of the downtrend. So that should, yeah, we've had a look at all the levels beneath us. They're pretty much all highlighted in the chart. So we're going to have a look at the weekly chart. Let's just see what we have there. On the weekly chart, all the major dynamic levels of support and resistance are pretty much below us. And the chart pretty much speaks for itself. We've had a grinding move to the upside, came up to the 400 period average, sold off, found support, put in a, so we've got a low here, higher low, had a bit of bull flag, broke to the upside, 200 period average, formed a bit of a bull flag, broke again, formed a bit of a bull flag, and we seem to be breaking out again to heading up towards that 35.60 if we're able to successfully navigate 134. So that pretty much wraps up the weekly time frame. So we'll just have a quick look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can see we've come up to this is what I was mentioning before. I couldn't really show it on the hourly chart. We found resistance there, and we've come to we found resistance again. Now we did mention on a previous couple of videos that we are in a bit of a range, the 134 being the top of the range, in and around that I think it's 130. I'll have a look at where that region is. But we were in a range for a very long time. We did seem to find support at the bottom of the range. There was strong price momentum to the upside, but we seem to have stalled in around 134. So we might have a bit of a pullback before we break out and head towards that 135.60. So if we just have a look at the charts, and with the bottom of the range is 31.70. The top is 34, bottom is 31.70. So that should wrap up the EURJPY analysis. Before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.